Insulin plant for diabetes. Costus lignis insulin plant is a medicinal plant and capable of having magic cure for diabetes. Leaf of this herbal plant helps to build up insulin by strengthening beta cells of pancreas in the human body, thus popularly known as insulin plant. The leaves of this herbal medicinal plant are used to control blood sugar levels or in treatment of diabetes. The patient has to consume 2 leaves in the morning and 2 leaves in the evening for first week. From the second week, 1 leaf in the morning and 1 in the evening. This dosage should be continued for 30 days. The leaves of insulin plant must be chewed well before swallowing. After chewing the leaves or leaf, have a little water. Having natural concentration of corosolic acid, insulin plant can have a positive effect on blood sugar levels. Corosolic acid works in metabolism of glucose process like insulin that reduces blood sugar levels by transporting glucose into cells and out of the bloodstream. This can be beneficial to anyone who has trouble with high blood sugar levels and particularly to that in diabetes. The patients who are suffering from acute diabetes are advised to eat these leaves by thoroughly chewing twice a day, that is in the morning and in the evening to control the blood sugar level. Diabetes is a disease of metabolism where body not able to synthesize sufficient insulin or the blood cells stop responding to the insulin produced in the body. The leaves of insulin plant contain mostly of corosolic acid which is beneficial in controlling diabetic. The corosolic acid present in the green leaves induces the insulin production and thus controls hyperglycemia in the blood. Both Ayurvedic and allopathic practitioners recommend chewing the insulin leaves twice a day to bring the blood sugar level totally under control. If it is difficult to get the fresh insulin leaves, for the convenience of the patients, the dried leaves powder is also available commercially. You can easily purchase it at any time. Add the powder in the water, boil it well, and after cooling, consume the water 2 times a day in the morning before breakfast stomach and night before going to bed to get the desired effect. Thus, insulin plant is the cheapest way to control blood sugar level within the period of 1 month. Generally, insulin plant is known for its quality of controlling blood sugar level, but other than this plant has many other medicinal values. The extract of the plant are useful in treating many types of skin problems. The leaves are used in curing disease like fever, asthma, and even bronchitis. The plant extracts are very useful in enhancing the beauty of eyelashes. The people, especially kids who are suffering from stomach worms, are advised to consume the leaves or leaf powder of the insulin plant.